Hmm. Chapter 2, the Biodiversity after studying. After studying this chapter, student will be able to define biodiversity and classification, describe advantages of classification, list of taxonomic rank of classification, discuss the history of classification schemes, list the three distinct domains into which living organisms are broadly classified into, describe the complication of classifying viruses, outline the binomial no, nomenclature system. Our planet is home to a vast variety of organisms, from tiny insects to towering trees. This variety is essential for the health and balance of our world. It provides us with food, medicine, and clean air. In this chapter, we will explore the variety of organisms and the method of classifying them into groups. Biodiversity means the variety of organisms in a particular area. Biodiversity is of an area is measured by the considering the number of different kind of organism and the variety of and the variation within each kind. Biologists have discovered and classified almost 2 million kind of organisms. However, they estimate that the total kind of organisms on earth is much greater. Biodiversity is not evenly spread out. The biodiversity is a place depend on factors like climate, altitude, and soil. The tropical region have more biodiversity than polar regions. Polar are full covered with snow, while in summer the snow melt or diffuse. The importance of the biodiversity. Diversity provides many essential services for human and planet. Here are some key benefits of biodiversity. Ecosystem stability. Biodiversity helps to maintain the balance of ecosystem. It plays important role in bio geochemical cycles such as carbon cycle and nitrogen cycle. Climate regulation. Planets and algae absorb carbon dioxide. It helps to keep the climate balance. And natural resources. Biodiversity provide a vast array of resources from food and medicine to building materials and fuel. Economic benefit. Biodiversity support different industries including agriculture, tourism, and pharmaceuticals. Classification. Biologists have identified by about 0 to 1 million kinds of organisms. Out of these, 0.5 million are the kind of few kinds of plants, and 1.5 million are kind of the animals. It is only a small percentage of the total kinds which live on Earth. Every year, biologists discover thousands of new kinds of organisms. To better study such a large collection of organisms, biologists classify them. Classification is a process in which organisms are divided into groups and subgroups on the basis of similarities and the difference found them. Aims and principles of classification. The main aims of classification are: first, part A, to determine similarities and the difference among organisms, so that who is the lion and who is the animal, but that they can be studied easily be to find the evolutionary relations among organisms. Biologists classify organisms into groups and subgroups of the basis of similar physical characteristics. In recent times, they also take help from genetics. They find the genetic similarity, women and women, men and men, this difference, and the female and male birds and animals. Similarity and difference among organisms. Then they use this information to know similarity and difference in their structure and function. Advantages of classification. Classification allows a biologist of group similar organism together, making it easier to identify and understand their characteristics, relationships, and evolutionary history. It helps us understand the vast diversity of living organisms on Earth. One, the caveman built its homes and diversity of the planet's chemical industry and other things develop this, and the diversity and the classification of Kila and the floodeds too involve in this diversity. Classification provides a framework for studying and comparing different species. It explains the interrelationship among various organisms. It helps in identification of new species and in understanding their evolutionary relationships. Classification provides a common language for biologists around the world, enabling effective communication in the study of the organism. Overall, classification is crucial for our understanding of the natural world and for the conservation and the management of the biological diversity. Taxonomic ranks. The group into which organisms are classified are known as a taxonomic rank. The taxa, singular taxon. The Swedish botanist Carl Linnaeus devised the Linnaean system of taxonomic rank in 1735. In this system, Linnaeus suggested seven taxonomic ranks, that is kingdom, phylum, division, class, order, family, genus, and the species. In 1977, the rank of domain was added to the system. The taxonomic rank are defined as below. Domain. The highest taxonomic rank is domain. All organisms are divided into three domains: archaea, bacteria, and eukarya. Kingdom domain is further divided into kingdoms. For example, the domain Eukarya is divided into four kingdoms, that is Animalia, Plantae, and Fungi, Protista. Phylum division for plants and fungi. Each kingdom is subdivided into related phyla or division. Organisms. Class. Each phylum or division is divided into related class domains related with the height and the species of special and what difference between an elephant and the monkey order. Each class is further divided into related order kingdom. Related kingdom. Family. Each order is broken down into related families. Class. Genus. Each family is divided into related genera in singular genus order species. It is the lowest level of classification. A species is a group of similar organisms that can interbreed and produce fertilize capable of the reproduction of spring. For example, newborns and the cat kids species table. Classification of fruit fly, human and pea. P. Taxonomic rank domain. Fruit fly, human P. Domain. Eucra, Yokra. In the kingdom, Animalia, fruit fly, Animalia plantae, phylum or division Arthropoda, Chordata, Magnolio, Feta, Magnolio, Feta, class in 6, Mammalia, Magnolio, Site, Mangolio, Spider, order, Dipteria, Primatates, Fables. Family Drosophila, Hominedia, Fabeca. Genus Prosophilia, Homophysium. Species Drosophila, Melanogaster, Homo spanius, Pisum sativum.